Welcome to the 31st session of Management Accounting relating to 5th semester BBA, Bangalore University. So in this 31st session, we are going to discuss a problem on fund flow statement. The problem is like, from the following balance sheets of Balki for the year ended 31st December 2000 and 2001, prepare schedule of changes in working capital and statement showing sources and applications of fund. So we have a balance sheet of Balki Limited here for the year 2000 and 2001. So on the liability side we have share capital, sundry creditors and profit and loss account. So on the asset side we have plant and machinery, furniture and fixtures, stocks, debtors and cash. So using this information we need to find out the changes in working capital and also the statement showing sources and application of fund. So let's go for the solution. So step number 1, preparation of schedule of changes in working capital. We discussed this one earlier, the format. So we need to concentrate on only current assets and current liabilities here. So on the particulars, first we go for current assets. In this problem we have current assets like cash, debtors and stock, and current liabilities, that is sundry creditors only. So cash in the year 2000 it is 1,10,000. So in the year 2001 it increased to 1,70,000. So we need to compare the current year to previous. So 1,70,000 we have in this year, in the previous year we have 1,10,000. That means generally there is a 60,000 rupees increased value in the cash. So 60,000. So when it comes to debtors, in the previous year we have 1,60,000. In the current year we have 1,50,000. You need to compare. That means it decreased to 1,50,000. That means there is a decreasing value of 10,000. Then also stock, it increased of rupees 20,000. So total A, 3,55,000 for the year 2000 and 4,25,000 for the year 2001. Then current liabilities, we have sundry creditors only. So in the year creditors of rupees 1 lakh. So in the year 2001 it is 70,000. So when it comes to liabilities, the procedure will be vice versa. That is, while we are doing the current assets now, we comparing current year to previous year. If it is more, then it will be increased value. But when it comes to liabilities, if it is less, that will be the increased value. So sundry creditors in the year, that is 1 lakh. In the year 2001, 70,000. That means it increased 30,000. Means liabilities has written down. So total B is 1 lakh for the year 2000 and total B for the year 2001 is 70,000. So working capital we have A minus B, 3,55,000 minus 1 lakh, that is 2,55,000 for the year 2000. For the year 2001, 4,25,000 minus 70,000, that is 3,55,000. The total increased value, that is 1,10,000, and the total decreased value is rupees 10,000. So you need to decide whether it's decreased or increased. So the last total amount column, increase working capital. So 2,55,000 plus 1 lakh. That 1 lakh means 1,10,000 minus 10,000. 1 lakh, the balancing figure. So 2,55,000 plus 1 lakh, 3,55,000. Then for the year 2001, that is 3,55,000 only. So the total increased value, that is 1,10,000. So total decreased amount column will be 10,000 plus 1 lakh, 1,10,000. Step 2, preparation of non-current accounts. The value of non-current items such as plant and machinery, furniture and fixtures and share capital are changed during the year. Therefore, it is desirable to prepare account for each items in order to find out whether there is any sources or application of funds occurred or any amount to be added or deducted to the net profit to calculate the funds from operation. So for that reason we need to do the working note here. So working note number 1 for plant and machinery. So opening balance of plant and machinery is rupees 50,000 to balance brought down 50,000. So the closing balance of plant and machinery in the year 2001, that is by balance carried down 60,000. So credit side is more, that is 60,000. 60,000 minus 50,000, 10,000 will be the balancing figure, that is to bank account. Then working note number 2, for furniture and fixtures, the opening balance is 10,000, to balance brought down 10,000. The closing balance is 15,000. That means 15,000 minus 10,000, 5,000 will be the balancing figure as to bank account. So working note number 3, share capital account. So here it will come on credit side, that is by balance brought down. Opening balance of share capital is 3 lakh. So on the debit side we have the closing balance of share capital, that is to balance carried down 4 lakh. So the balance figure will be by bank account rupees 1 lakh, that is issue of shares. So the step 3 is calculations of funds from operations. So calculation of funds from operations. So step 3, calculation of funds from operations. Calculation of funds from operations, we have that is closing balance of P&L account, that is rupees 30,000. So from that less opening balance of P&L, the same procedure, 15,000. So net profit for the year it will be 15,000. So for that 50,000 you need to add non-fund and non-operating items which have been already debited to P&L account. So we don't have any P&L account balance here, so it will be nil. So from that balance we need to less the non-fund or non-operating items which have been already credited to P&L account. The same reason we don't have any items that are credited to P&L account. So the 50,000 will be the funds from operation. Step 4, preparation of fund flow statement. Fund flow statement we have, it's nothing but when you when you utilize the funds it will be application of fund. When you gain the funds, that will be sources of funds. That is the sources for a company, that is issue of share capital of rupees 1 lakh. Then funds from operation that we gained, that's like a sources to us, so that is 15,000. So when you utilize those funds it will be application of funds. The name it suggests, application of funds. So application, you applied that fund to the purchase of plant and machinery 10,000. Then purchase of furniture and fixtures 5,000. You get those you get those values from the working notes we did in the previous page. So purchase of plant and machinery 10,000, purchase of furniture and fixtures 5,000. So increase in working capital, we find that in step number 3, so 1 lakh. So the total balance on both sides will be 1,15,000, 1,15,000. This is the statement of application and sources of funds. Thank you.